Hi there, spiritual seekers and crystal enthusiasts. I'm Joey Wargachuk, founder of Wargachuk Academy, and I'm so excited to share something truly transformative with you. Our free workshop bundle. This isn't just another freebie. It's your all access pass to some of the most powerful tools, teachings, and insights I've crafted to help you step into your spiritual power. It's completely free. Wargachuk Academy is where spirituality meets practical wisdom, whether you're here to deepen your connection with crystals, master the art of tarot, or even launch your own spiritual business. We've created a space for learning, growth, and real transformation. With over 15 years of experience in teaching and working with energy, I've made it my mission to take the overwhelm out of the spiritual learning and make it approachable, fun, and effective. From mastering crystal grids to building a thriving spiritual business, I've been where you are. I know that it's like to want to grow, but not know where to start. That's why I've poured my heart, soul, and expertise into these workshops with Wargachuk Academy. And you're not just learning, you're becoming part of a global community of seekers ready to tap into their true potential. Now let's talk about this bundle because it's amazing. Inside, you'll find workshops like 12 Crystals for Beginners, Crystal 101, the perfect starting point for crystal lovers, Deep Dive Tarot, the Fool, a fun and insightful way to explore tarot, Grow Your Crystal Business, which is a 2 hour strategy session packed with tips to turn your passion into profit, and so much more. These workshops are designed to give you a real tools, actionable insights, and most importantly, confidence to work with your intuition and spiritual tools. I've seen firsthand how powerful these teachings are, not just for my students, but for myself. Over the years, I've worked with thousands of people, helping them unlock their gifts and step into their spiritual calling. And now I'm offering you the opportunity to start that same journey without spending a single dollar. So, are you ready to take the leap? Don't wait. This free workshop bundle is your chance to learn, grow, transform your life. Click the button below, enroll for free, and let's start making magic together. I can't wait to see you inside.